I see you're looking at your ideas binder. Do we have any good ideas for today's show?
Eating chicken feet.
Ideas. 12 is full of them. They come out, they spill into his binder, and then we do them. Today, apparently, we're eating chicken feet. Why don't you put your ideas binder over there and why don't you show the boys and girls what chicken feet look?
Hi, my name is Holly Dude.
Gross. I'm gonna look at what he's doing.
You could pull this bone and then look. Yeah.
And they even got long fingernails or something like that.
Let's clip them.
Clip them? Do you think I carry fingernail clippers with me, 12?
Yeah?
Oh, that's right, I do. And a pog in my pocket.
Let's see. Let's clip your fingernails.
It's disgusting. Ugh.
Hi.
I'm already grossed out by him clipping the toenails and pulling the tendons.
Okay.
So it's disgusting. And I have to eat these. Okay, I mean,
We have some fried.
why don't you bring out the rest of them? Yeah, I really don't know how to cook chicken feet, so I just fried them. That's all I did.
We got to clip all these.
No. We're done clipping toenails. I assume that there's meat inside. I mean,
Ooh.
oh, it's
Shouldn't have fried it.
yeah. I really can't cut into these. I mean, there's a tough. Ooh, look at that. Ugh, ugh. It's a good idea. Get our throw up buckets out. Do you want me to cut you one, or how do you want me to do this? I'm gonna just eat the palm. It just looks like fat inside.
Just give me a little teeny piece.
Here, you want this piece since it's got meat inside already? Oops. Why don't you just pick one up and we'll just take a bite into it.
3, 2, 1.
Ugh. Ugh.
Oh.
Just pulling its joints apart was the part that made me grossed out.
I can even bite it.
Mm,
It smells bad.
there's not much to these. Is there another way we could attempt to eat these?
By making a smoothie.
Making a smoothie?
Yes. I'll put some of these in. I'll put these in.
Okay.
I'll put.
I'm gonna add some vanilla ice cream for flavor. Okay.
Okay. No problem.
Okay, let's see if that works.
Okay, now I'll put it on. Put the lid on.
Lock it into place. There you go. All right.
Look at it.
Okay, I'm gonna start with a little pulse here. Now I'm going into full mode. Think that's blended enough?
Let's see. You see in first.
Me seeing first. What do you think, it's gonna jump out? I think I'm gonna need the barf bucket for this. Smell that.
No. Yeah.
Here, why don't you pour, do the honors. Pour for us.
Ew, what is that?
What do you want to call this contraption that you came up with?
Chicken feet you don't want to eat.
Oh, that's a good one. Chicken feet you don't want to eat smoothie.
It's the little gizzard. Your face is red.
It's delicious.
Did you throw up? Or did you just spit it out?
Both, because it didn't go down. It came back up, so I spit it out with throw up.
Can I see?
No? Ugh.
Oh, goodness.
12, would you recommend this to anybody?
No.
No? Me neither. I think that's it for this video. I don't feel like doing this anymore. My tummy hurts.
You can find us on Facebook or YouTube. Well, we'll see you next time, boys and girls. Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh, gross.